just saw one rise right over there. Absolute perfect weather for fishing. Take a look. December, just before Christmas, and it's raining, which might actually be good if it gets the fish active. Now what I was really hoping for was to see some rise down here. Not seeing that, so I'll stick with nymphs. Up around that bend though, we might get lucky and actually get some on some dries. Lost my rig, so I've switched to a black woolly bugger and red San Juan worm, and I'm just gonna kind of mix between dead drifting. Oh, there we go. That was right off the bat. That was great. That woolly bugger. Looks like what do we got? A little brown? No, rainbow. On the woolly bugger. Beautiful. Let's get this one off. Let's get this one off. Oh, what do you think it is, huh, Sequoia? Oh, make sure we don't foul hook off the... Well, that's fun. Don't mess with the fish. Let's get it back in. Oh, just saw one rise right over there. And that might have been it. And he's got me going downstream. He's got me going downstream. Get him up in here. Get him up in here. Oh, what a good brown. What a good brown, girl. Woo-hoo. That's what we come out in the rain for. That's what we came out in the rain for. You get back so you don't mess up my rod. I knew these would be good conditions to come out in. Beautiful brown, I don't know, 16 inches, maybe a bit more, on a black woolly bugger. Try to get him untangled, take a look at it. Yep, that's the rig. Black woolly bugger trailing a red San Juan worm. He took the bugger. Let's take a look at him. Yeah, maybe 17 inches. Really excellent fish. What do you think, girl? You just want to get in the way. You want to take a look too? Good girl. I highly doubt we'll find any more in there, but certainly worth a cast or two. That one I saw actually rise for something else. Oh, that was a strike. There might be more in there. Yeah, and another one. Smaller. What do we got? What do we got? I got 4X on, so I can just lift them. A little rainbow on the third one on that black woolly bugger. Oh, come on. Excellent day. Excellent day. Always make the point of getting out in the rain. I turned off my camera because I thought I was hung up. I got a fish on there. I don't quite fully understand that. Well, that is just ridiculous. Let's see. On the worm. I might have actually hung up, and then while it was sitting there, it might have taken the worm. Nice rainbow. Let's get it up here. These long 10-foot rods really do make it harder. Beautiful rainbow. Man, what a great day. This is as good as it gets. As good as it gets. Best I can tell, that one actually did get hung up on something on the bottom. But then while it was hung up, I have a red worm behind it. And I think the fish took the worm drifting while the woolly bugger was hung. He's a good fish. 16-inch rainbow, something like that. And they've all been good today.